All is used, all method return true when all the element of the given iteratable is true. Means if all the elements are true, it is return you true, and if all the value are false, then it is return you false. If one value is true and other are false, then false. If one value is false and other are true, it is also false. Empty iteratable is also true. So it is showing you the example 1 2 1 3 4 5. Okay, 1 3 4 5. Print all A. It is showing you true. 0 false. It is return you false. 1 3 4 0. So as it is present 0, it is false. 0 false 5. So as all are false, then it is return you false. Empty iteratable. Empty. When not passing anything. So it is return you false value.
से ट्रू वैल्यू लिखा है जी
कोडा कहलो सॉरी एम्प्टी आइटरेटिव एम्प्टी आइटरेटिव लेला ट्रू जीरो जे कोनसी जीरो रहले सेटा फॉल्स आसीबो बुझेला
यस सर
then it is showing you this is good एटा ला गोटे हमें स्ट्रिंग पास कले तापरे एटा मते देखला ट्रू आ जदी 0 0 भी अछि 0 0 को जदी हमें सिंगल कोटेशन में पास करिवा इट इज आल्सो showing you true value
सर ठीक है ट्रू देखेला
एटा जदी हमें सिंगल कोटेशन भीतर पास न करी थांदे ताले
फॉल्स देखेला
हमको फॉल्स देखाई थांदा एटा आज एलिमेंट रूपे काउंट कला बुझेला
यस सर
next 0 false 1 false it is return you false 1 true 2 true it is showing you true 1 true false 0 it is showing you false empty iteratable is true binary format is used 230 E10111. So it is converted it into the binary format. Now 23, it is converted 23 into octal format. Then hexadecimal 23 is converted to the hexadecimal format 0x17. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then boolean value, the boolean value return false if the value is omitted. The following value is considered in the false in Python. One is your non false, zero of any numeric type, empty sequencing, empty mapping, then this boolean value. Test, it is a blank, it is false. 0 is a true, 0.0 is false, non is false. So here it is true. We are passing true is a true. Is string, it is a string, so it is also showing you true value. Then Python character function. It return a string of one character whose ASCII code is an integer. Print character 97A. Print character 67 is capital A. 1200 is this symbol. Then Python complex number. Complex method return a complex number when real and imaginary parts are omitted. It converts a string into a complex number. Real part, if real is omitted, default is 0. Imaginary part, if imaginary is omitted, default is 0. So how it is possible? It is a complex number 2 comma minus 3. When you write 2 comma minus 3, it is printing you 2 minus 3j. Complex 1, it is showing you 1 plus 0j. If you write only complex, then it is printing you 0j. We are passing complex 5 minus 9j as a string, it is showing you 5 minus 9j. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, division and mode. The division and mode method takes two number and return the pair of number. The division and mode takes place the two parameter. X is a non-complex numerator, y is a complex denominator. Means if you write division and mode 8 by 3, your quotient is 2 and the remainder is 2. If you pass 3 and 8, your quotient, your result is 0 and remainder is 3. Division and mode 5 and 5, your quotient is 1, remainder is 0. So I am showing you, giving you some tags. So what is that? I write here. Color underscore list equals to green, white, That is a question. Now write a program to display the first and last colors on the find out first and last colors. Next I move to the this part. Next is Python enumerate. The enumerate method add the counter to an iteratable and return it. And enumerate method takes the two parameter. One is iteratable, another is start. Iteratable a sequency and iterator or object that support the iteration. Or start is it is a enumerate start counting from this number. If start is omitted, zero is taken as a start. That means what? It will give a 1 1 value, position of the value. So we are passing a list. When you write enumerate grocery, the first item it is represented as 0. Second item it is represented as 1. Third item it is represented as 2. If you pass grocery then 10, that is starting the index position from 10. So 10 is bread, 11 is a milk, 12 is butter. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then I'm showing the exercise. Second question, write a program define a list and find out sum of all the numbers. Okay, you have to define a list and list ଭିତରେ ଯାହା ବି number ତମେ define କରିବ ତାକୁ ତମେ add କରିକି show କରିବ.
କୋଉ ଦୋକାନ ଏଠି ମୋ ଛତା କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ମାଗିକି
The next we are passing grocery, bread, milk, butter for item in enumerate grocery. So when you are using enumerate function, so by default it is printing you 0 bread, 1 milk, 2 butter. Count item in
सर जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टा ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା enumerate function यूज କରି हबो
ना ना एटा enumerate यूज करी हबन. एटा केवल तुमे रिट्राइव करिवे कोटा एटा शो करिवो आ एटा शो करिवो. सिंपल प्रोग्राम टा. Suppose you write a program display the first and last color on the list. So here it is showing you bread, milk, butter, then for count item in enumerate grocery. एठी हमें कौन यूज कले एठी खाली आइटम देखिले एठी गोटे काउंट गोटे वेरिएबल देले काउंट एंड आइटम से काउंटिंग करिवो जीरो एठी में से लिस्ट फॉर्मेट रे शो करा एठी ग्रोसरी मो पास कले एठी मो पास करिवो 100 ब्रेड 101 मिल्क 102 इज बटर. ओके then evaluation. The evaluation method parse the expression passed to this method and run the Python expression within the program. माने आमे गोटे एक्सप्रेशन भितरे इवैल्यूएशन करियो किछि अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेशन करियो तो प्रिंट इवैल्यूएशन ब्रैकेट भितर रहला x + 1 तो आमे एठी पास कले 1 1 + 1 ऐड हे कि मते 2 देखेगा नाउ जे इवैल्यूएशन फंक्शन जल्दी आमे जदी नेबा x = 1 okay the 1 + 1 it is giving you 2 clear.
यस सर
Then it is a execution method. Execution method execute the dynamically created program. Means in a expression you have to execute a program. Okay, so we are passing 5 and 10 in print sum equals to a plus b. So in a expression we have done what the arithmetic expression. So 10, 5 and 10 we have passed, then it is added a number and shows the result. Then float number, the float method return a floating point number. So if you write print float 10, it is converted as 10.0. If you write print 11.12, so as it is a normal float number, so it is not affected any kind of thing. So here we are passing minus 13.33, we are considered as a string. Then float minus 24.45. So it is showing you the output. But here we are trying to convert ABC into float. So we cannot convert ABC into float. So it shows an error here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then format method. Format is a built-in format method. It returns a formatted representation of the given value. So here we are passing 1, 2, 3, D. So it is converted into the integer format. E for exponential format, B for binary format. Now what are the formats are there? Let it check. D for decimal number, C for corresponding Unicode character, B for binary format, O for octal format, X for hexadecimal format, capital X for hexadecimal format in uppercase, N same as D except it uses the current local, E for exponential notation, E for exponential notation in uppercase E, then display fixed point number default is 6. It is same as F. Next G for general format. Then percentage, when you are using it is multiplied by 100 or put the percentile at end. It is showing you percentage. So these are the different format we are using. Okay, so in the next class we start with the frozen set. Okay, so this part we start. Just a minute. So last one, Frozen set method. It return the immutable Frozen set. Means when you define a list A E I O U and define Frozen set, so it make it as a dictionary. The dictionary means you cannot update the value. So you cannot do any kind of modification. So that is the work of Frozen set. Means it is converted a list into a non-editable part. Global method return a dictionary of the current global symbol. If you want to make any variable as global, global is used. Like we are using a public keyword in Java programming language. So here, if you want to make the value accessible anywhere, then global is used. Hash method, it return a hash value. Or when you are store a value in a Python, it defines some kind of predefined value. Like hash value of 181 is 181. Hash value of 181.23, this one, the keyword. It is taken as a memory value. Okay, only for the integer, it is integer value, and for other value, it will create a key value. Would you like to?
Yes, sir.